welcome aboard the Vlog. Today, we're on a mission to uncover something critical for both our training and future careers as deck officers, volatile organic compounds or VOCs.
As deck cadets, we are trained to prioritize safety, efficiency, and environmental protection. But VOCs, they are stealthy, harmful, and often overlooked.
So, how do volatile organic compounds affect us as future seafarers, and what can we do about them? Stick around, we'll explain.
Prepare to set sail on this journey as we explore the hidden world of volatile organic compounds and their impact on our ships and lives.
Let's navigate through the facts and solutions. Anchors away.
VOCs are chemical compounds that evaporate easily into the air. You can think of them as invisible fumes from paints, fuels, and even cleaning agents.
On board vessels, we encounter volatile organic compounds during operations like painting the deck, loading cargo, or using solvents.
Even certain cargoes, like crude oil and chemicals, emit VOCs during storage and transfer operations.
In confined spaces on board, volatile organic compounds can quickly build up, leading to poor air quality. This affects our health, causing dizziness, headaches, or even long-term respiratory issues.
And it's not just about health. VOCs also contribute to air pollution, creating smog and harming the marine environment.
For us, maintaining a safe and sustainable ship is not just a responsibility. It's our way of life.
On deck, we encounter volatile organic compounds from paints, coatings, and cleaning solvents used during maintenance.
Cargo operations, especially with oil and gas, release VOCs during loading, unloading, and venting.
Even something as simple as fuel bunkering or engine room operations contributes to volatile organic compound emissions.
Step 1. Use low VOC paints and eco-friendly cleaning agents during maintenance. Small choices make a big difference.
Step 2. Follow proper ventilation protocols during confined space entry and ensure equipment is sealed tightly and avoid leaks.
Step 3. Advocate for vapor recovery systems during cargo operations to minimize emissions.
And finally, always wear the right personal protective equipment when working near VOC sources. Safety first.
As deck officers, it will be our duty to ensure the safety of our crew and cargo while protecting the environment.
Understanding VOCs now prepares us for managing these risks on board and complying with international regulations like MARPOL Annex 6.
This isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about leaving a positive impact on our profession and the world.
The sea may be vast, but every small action we take matters. Together, we can sail towards a cleaner, safer future.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Like, share, and comment with your thoughts on how cadets can make a difference.
Fair winds and following seas.